My question now to the administration, is revenge from the grave a crime? So I have to die first. They have to kill me first. So now they can't kill me anymore unless they want to die. Remember, they are known for political persecution. They suppress and oppress opposition. They assassinated their political enemy. Ang hindi lang po nagawa ni Benigno Aquino Jr., hindi siya nakaganti kasi hindi siya nagbilin. But you know, Benigno Aquino Jr. is not Sara Duterte. So that's the playbook. Yes, lahat ng galaw ko, lahat ng ginagawa ko, kung saan ako, alam niya, alam nila, ganito ang gagawin sa security mo, imo-monitor ka. So that's one threat. But that is a possibility. You see what they're doing right now? They are undermining my security. Hindi ko pa dinidiscuss ang galing sa PNP. Diba, meron kayong mga naririnig ng akusasyon ng nakawan dito sa ating gobyerno. Naririnig nyo ba na millions ang ninanakaw? Hindi, diba? Ang naririnig nyo, billions ang ninanakaw. Napakaliit na amount ang 150 million. So bakit kami magnanakaw ng 150 million? Ang problem sa 125, binigay siya sa amin December na. Requirement in government offices, you have to utilize money before December 31. They cannot be divulged in public. It will compromise lives and security of personnel who are cooperating or who are nandoon sa kabila na asset. You cannot. That is why it is called confidential funds. Saan galing yan? Ayun!